Hi everybody, it's Deb from DnDArtGallery. Hope you're doing well today. Today I have a 12 by 16 staple back canvas. I have put down a pretty good layer of Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. And today I'm going to do a ghost pour. Let's go over my paints. I'm using a lot of the Mont Marte paints today. My first one is the Mont Marte Purple. And my second paint is a combination of Mont Marte Crimson and Mont Marte Scarlet, 50-50 on that. And my next paint that I'm going to use as my swipe color is the metallic Mont Marte Silver. Pouring medium today is 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. And I did add 1 drop of the Mont Marte silicone in each of my paints. And also I just purchased, it's called Mont Marte Acrylic Medium Gloss, and I put about a half a teaspoon in each one of my colors today, and we'll just see if that does give me a glossy finish. And let's go over consistency here. It just leave a little mound, a little trace there, and then disappears. So let's get started. Like I said, the silver is going to be my swipe color. So I just will put my paints across the middle of the canvas here. I hope everybody is having a good holiday celebration with family and friends. Our big celebration with our family was yesterday, so I have a little bit of time today to do some pouring. And if you remember in any of my past videos, the Mont Marte silicone is very reactive. Seems to give a lot of cells, and that is why I only put 1 drop in each of my colors today. And now I'll put down the purple. Trying to get just a good layer of each of these colors down. And now a combination of this scarlet and crimson. I don't know how everything is going to react, given that gloss medium from Mont Marte is this first time I'm using it. And oh, I guess maybe I didn't mention my, if I didn't, I'm sorry, I didn't mention my navy paint, the color navy that I laid down here. That is a color that I made up myself. I made it with the Cromalyn Cool Blue. That's the majority of it. I'll even show you it here while I'm talking about it. and it's a very deep navy blue. And I added a dollop of Blick black and then a dollop of the Amsterdam Phthalo green. And that's how I came up with that dark navy color. And I will have all of that in the description. And I'm laying down my swipe color now. I haven't done one of these ghost pours in a very long time. So we'll see how it goes here. Okay, that's all my paint. And what I've done is I've cut up some old playing cards, different widths, and that's what I'm going to swipe with here today. So we'll just get started. And I just want to drag some of that silver down. Just pressing lightly. This is a fun painting to do. I'm getting some cell action here. Okay, and I'm going to turn it around now, do the other side. I do like this combination of colors. I think it's very pretty. I'm even going to take and just run the little card sideways here. Try it this way. Just to break it up a little bit. Okay, now I will torch. And I might do a little bit of tipping here. I like the effect that the middle doesn't have such a straight line. Although I may run something through that. We'll just see. See how this tipping does here. It adds a little something to it. And tip it back. I'm going to take a look at it. I really like the way this turned out. And I'm going to torch one more time because I do see some air bubbles. And I might just run this through a couple more times. Okay. I don't think I have much going on here on the edges. And I will get you down for a close-up. Again, this is a ghost pour on a 12 by 16 canvas. And here I have the upper left-hand corner. And here is the lower left-hand corner. I'll take you across here and we'll go up the middle. Really pretty cells in here. I like those purples, the purple around the little white cells there. And this is the upper right-hand corner. Very pretty in there too. A lot going on in here. Red and the purple together is very pretty. And this is the lower right-hand corner. So let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share. Subscribe if you haven't. Make sure you ring the bell and choose all so you'll know the next time that I do post a new video. And until next time, take care, everybody. Thank you for watching. Bye.